Today, I'm going to teach you how to create animated text effects in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to make your website more dynamic and engaging, capturing your visitors' attention with smooth professional animations that bring your content to life. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens behind the scenes of your website. Once you're logged in, navigate to Pages in the left sidebar and click on it. From there, select Add Page to create a new page. After the page is created, you'll see an option to edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click that button, which will launch the Elementor Page Builder interface where you can design and customize your page visually. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, take a look at the left panel where you'll find a variety of widgets available. You'll want to locate the text editor widget. You can either click on it or simply drag it from the panel directly onto your page canvas. This widget is the foundation for adding text that you'll later animate. Once the text editor widget is on your canvas, click on the section to open its settings panel on the left side of the screen. This panel gives you full control over the widget's appearance and behavior. In the Content tab, you'll see a field labeled Title. This is where you'll type the text you want to display on your page. It could be a headline, a call to action, or any message you want to animate. After entering your text, it's time to add the animation. Switch over to the Advanced tab at the top of the settings panel, then scroll down until you find the Motion Effects section. This is where Elementor's animation features live, allowing you to add movement and visual interest to your elements. Look for the option called Entrance Animation. Click on it, and you'll see a submenu appear with various animation styles to choose from. You can select anything from fades and zooms to slides and bounces, depending on the effect you're going for. Take your time to preview different options and see which one fits your design best. Additionally, you can fine-tune the animation by adjusting the animation duration and animation delay settings. The duration controls how fast or slow the animation plays, while the delay determines how long the element waits before starting the animation. These adjustments help you create perfectly timed effects that enhance the user experience. It's worth noting that some advanced animation features like scrolling effects, mouse effects, and sticky are only available if you upgrade to Elementor Pro. These premium features offer even more creative possibilities for interactive animations, but the basic entrance animations are more than enough to create impressive text effects on your pages. And there you have it. You've successfully created an animated text effect in Elementor that will make your content stand out and engage your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.